Okay, you're looking very pretty. Thank you.
All right,
Love you.
so when it comes to flushing the models, obviously you need one of your waters pumping water in all the time. They can evacuate fluid out of all three of the injection wells, as well as the two confined aquifer piezometers, and then both of the pumping wells they can evacuate out from. They should avoid trying to suck up through any of the other piezometers in the unconfined layer, simply because it will eventually start getting sand intrusion up into the wells. We can fix it, but it's a pain in the ass and it will affect the results for the next class. But otherwise, we've modified the large syringes with a rubber stopper on the top so you can get a better seal, and you just need to suck up small amounts out of each of the wells when you have your dye contrast in, just to remove the dye contrast. You're not trying to actually suck up anything more than what's in the well. And then from that point on, you can do all of your evacuations from either the pumping wells or, in the case of the confined aquifer, the two confined aquifer piezometers. And that will make it quick to evacuate the model. And then prior to shutting the model down completely for the day, you're going to want to take, again, your large syringe, take about 20% bleach mixture, and you're going to want to inject bleach down into each and every well that you can reach. And that'll just add a layer of bleach into the system as you're doing your last flush through. It should carry most of the bleach out for the next class, and then it should be ready to go. That also helps eliminate any residual dye that can't be sucked out of the model. Yep. And then the next thing is we created these. These are basically piezometer extensions that are specifically designed to go down into the artesianal well and plug the artesianal well. This helps force a stronger gradient across the model when you're trying to do your injection into this point and see how fast it goes. This will reduce the amount of water that bypasses through the artesianal well, and it'll just turn this into another piezometer, and then you can simply remove it, and you can watch how the dye will move through the artesianal well much faster. So to isolate the two so you can see the difference between the flow rates, using these allows you to isolate everything and actually see the difference in how fast they move. It also makes this move faster and is less prone to getting plugged or stuck. And then other than that, that's pretty much it, I think.